Can I reset my Samsung voicemail without losing my saved messages?
Hello there. Today, we're going to tackle an important question. Can I reset my Samsung voicemail without losing my saved messages? It's a common concern, and we're here to provide a clear, step-by-step guide on how you can do this.
Understanding voicemail and saved messages.
To start with, it's important to understand what resetting voicemail actually means. Resetting your voicemail usually involves changing your voicemail password or settings. Saved messages, on the other hand, refer to the voicemail messages that you have chosen to keep on your device. The key thing to note is that your saved voicemails are typically stored with your network provider, not on your device itself. This means that when you reset your voicemail settings, your saved messages should remain intact. However, it's always a good idea to confirm this with your network provider, as policies can vary.
Steps to reset voicemail on Samsung.
Now, let's walk through the steps to reset your voicemail. Remember, your saved voicemails should not be affected by these steps. 1. Open the phone app on your Samsung device. 2. Tap on Voicemail at the bottom of the screen. 3. Then, tap on the Settings option, usually represented by 3 dots or a gear icon. 4. In the settings, find the option to change or reset your voicemail password. 5. Follow the instructions to reset your password.
Confirming saved messages.
After resetting your voicemail, you'll want to confirm that your saved messages are still there. Simply go back to the Voicemail tab in the phone app and check your saved voicemails. They should still be available, as resetting your voicemail settings does not typically delete saved voicemails. However, if you find that your saved voicemails are not there, contact your network provider immediately. They should be able to help you retrieve your voicemails. And there you have it. We've gone through how you can reset your voicemail on your Samsung device without losing your saved messages. We hope this guide has been helpful and provides the peace of mind you need to manage your voicemail effectively. Remember, if you have any doubts, it's always best to contact your network provider. They can provide the most accurate information about their voicemail policies. Thank you for watching.